Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So your Canon MG3500 has stopped printing. In most cases, this issue comes due to a change in settings, a switch to offline mode, or a background service stopping. The good news is that this is usually a pretty easy fix. In today's video, I'll show you how to get your Canon MG3500 up and running again. So go to your computer and let's get your printer back to work. Method 1. Check the default printer. Click on Search and open the control panel. Click on Devices and Printers. Look for Canon Printer and right-click on it. Click on Set as Default Printer. If your printer has started working, subscribe to our channel. Also, for additional help, call these numbers on the screen. Otherwise, let's check your printer status. Method 2. Check printer status. Open the control panel and click on Devices and Printers. Right-click on the printer, then click on See What's Printing. Click on Printer, then uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. If you're facing more issues with your Canon printer, please let us know in the comments. If the issue still persists, let's restart the print spooler. Method 3. Restart the print spooler. Press the Windows plus R key together to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and click on OK. On the Services window, find the print spooler and right-click on it. In the list of actions, click on Restart.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.